Welcome to Math Infinity. This question I have taken from NCERT Exemplar, Class 10 Mathematics. The topic is area related to circles. This is question number 2 from exercise 11.4. Let us understand the question. The question says the diameters of front and rear wheels of a tractor are 80 centimeter and 2 meter respectively. Find the number of revolutions that rear wheel will make in covering a distance in which the front wheel makes 1400 revolutions. So first thing is given diameters of front and rear wheel. Just observe that units of the diameters of two wheels are given different. So first we should make the same units and then let us find the radius of the rear wheel as well as the front wheel. Let us start the solution. So if I represent radius of front wheel by R1, then R1 is equal to 80 divided by 2, that is 40 centimeter, and R2, that is radius of rear wheel, would be 2 meter. 2 meter, if I convert it into centimeter, that will be 200 centimeter divided by 2. So radius of rear wheel is 100 centimeter. Now a question says, find the number of revolutions that rear wheel will make in covering a distance in which the front wheel makes 1400 revolutions. See, the distance covered by both the wheels would be same because both are the wheels of the same tractor. So distance covered would be same. But since the size of the wheels are different, therefore the number of times a wheel moves would be different. And so let us find the distance covered by front wheel. So distance covered by front wheel in one revolution. One time when it takes a full round, how much distance does it cover? That would be equal to circumference of the wheel. See, if this is the wheel and say this is the point A. When wheel takes one complete round and after taking one complete round, the wheel comes I hope the size is same. This point A comes back at the same position. So this complete round when it takes, so this wheel covers a distance, this much distance it covers, and this much distance would be equal to circumference of the wheel, this whole circumference of the wheel. So in one revolution, distance covered by front wheel is 2 pi r1, and therefore distance covered by the same wheel in how many revolution is it making? It is making 1400. So the distance covered is 2 pi. R1 is we have calculated 40 centimeter and number of revolution is 1400, and therefore distance covered is 2 pi times 56,000 centimeter. I have not substituted the value of pi here. That you will notice that we have to find the number of revolution, and so there is no need to substitute pi, it would be cancelled out. Now the question says that the distance covered by both the wheels is same. So it means distance covered by rear wheel in, suppose the number of revolution is n. So in n revolution, it would be same. So it is also 2 pi times 56,000. It means now distance covered in one revolution would be 2 pi r2 times number of revolution, that is n, is equal to 2 pi times 56,000. So if rear wheel makes n number of revolution, then total distance covered would be 2 pi r2 times n, and therefore these two values would be same, and from here you can find the value of n. Substituting r2 is equal to 100. Now you can understand that why didn't I substitute the value of pi. R2 I am substituting 100, and so answer is 560. So front wheel makes 1400 revolutions, rear wheel makes 500 revolutions, and they cover the same distance, and that distance is 2 pi times 56,000 centimeter. I hope the question is clear. Thank you.